first chord, I'm actually playing on the key of E flat. Just in case you're new, E flat is the 1, F is the 2, G is the 3, A flat is the 4, B flat is the 5, C is the 6, D is the 7, then back to the 1. I have a 5 octave piano here, right? So I started by doing this movement. So this movement is being played over the 6. So let's pick a simple song and apply it right now. Okay, the perfect song that is coming to my mind right now is Great is Your Mercy Towards Me by Donny McClurkin. So we have Great is your mercy, great is your mercy towards me. Okay, so let's break it down real quick. I started by playing the C. Then next I have E and D. Next I have B flat, then C and E. So let me take it slow so you get the right fingering. So the next chord, left hand side I have A flat, while on my right hand side I have D and F. Then the last chord, I have G and B flat, while on my right hand side I have C sharp, E and G. So let's take it from top over the 6th. So you can think of this more like a passing chord to the 2. So great is your mercy. So what I played over the 2, my left hand side I have F, C and D, while on my right hand side I have A flat, A flat major 7th chord, A flat, C, E flat and D. Okay, I did this on the 5. You can also do this to resolve or like ending the song. Let's pick another song to apply this as well. Okay, I love this song so much. I've used it in my previous video before, but that's fine. So thank you, Lord. Sorry. See, you can still apply this here. So let's take it from top. We have thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Okay, I just wanna thank you, Lord. So the whole essence is to show you how to apply this to end the song. Okay, but I know it didn't really go with the melody, but I always give this advice to play with, to make sure you keep your melody on top. Okay, let's try and do that right now. Okay, I just want to thank you, Lord. Okay. Okay, but let's just go ahead and break it down real quick, right? So on my left hand side, I have first note, I have B flat. Then the next chord, the next note I played is E flat. You can see that I'm still holding my B flat while I'm playing the E flat. Then I left the E flat and resolved to this by playing D, and F. So it's now as if I'm playing my B flat major triad. So let me take it one more time. So the B flat is constant, like that, it doesn't change. E flat, then E flat, I'll leave the E flat and play D and F. So on my right hand side, this chord that I'm playing, but I started by doubling this notes, A flat, like so. So I now played A flat major triad. Then I resolved just the C and E flat notes. I just went semitone, just semitone, a lower semitone, like so. So I just went semitone backward. So let's take it together, incorporate our right hand and our left hand together. So okay, so again. Okay, so let's forget about these upper notes, the lower note and the upper notes. Let's focus on the main chord. So it's supposed to be something like this. You know, these are diminished chords, right? So then back to the one. Okay, so I'm going to do a bonus on this. Let's try to take what we just played to probably the key of C, because I believe C is more like a home key for all musicians. So let me break it down on the key of C as well. So I started from the 6th, right? Okay. Okay. So raising your mercy towards me. So I need a new keyboard actually. That's fine.